Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is Plan Your Day in 10 seconds with this app. So guys, this application over here will be available on the Google Play Store. So make sure to avail this over here on the Google Play. And now, once you have downloaded this application, you can just simply go ahead and open it up. And from here, guys, it is a very simple app. As you can see down below, we have your planners. So this is all of my files over here that I currently have. And you will have your calendar, which from here you could set a reminder by selecting the plus icon. And so you can manage your day. As you can see, you just simply fill this up to create a reminder for this specific day. And you could also have here a template. So here on the template, you could just simply tap on it. You should be able to fill this up with all of the things that you need. And you will have different categories at the top over here that you could also use. And you should be able to plan your day over here. So let's say I'm going to use this template over here, and I could just simply tap on use this template. And from here, as you can see, we should be able to write in here right away. And we could start writing over here. And there we go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.